Here I have OUKITEL WP5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for calls, from anybody, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. There's also an option to repeat callers. If the same person calls you a second time within 15-minute period, or allow it. You can add exceptions to messages. In all exceptions, you can add exceptions to alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders. You can also restrict notifications. You can restrict only sound notification. You can restrict visual and sound notification, and here you can customize it all for yourself. You can set default duration for this mode, and you can also set up schedules for the not disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.